Hello, I'm Miss Marie Bahan. This is my son, Ollie.
Hi. Wait, I'm supposed to say hi. Hi.
Today we're going to learn the sight word, when. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get out a piece of paper. So if you don't have a paper and a crayon, then go ahead and pause the video and get a paper and a crayon. Okay, first we're going to write the word and we're going to say the letters as we write the word. W, H, E, N. When. Okay, we're going to trace over what we already did again. We're going to do everything 3 times. So we're going to go W, H, E, N. When. Okay, third time. W, H, E, N. When. Okay, next step, we're going to put the paper down and we're going to load the word. Okay, so we're going to put our writing hand all the way up, the writing hand. Your writing hand's the other hand. You write with the other hand?
I write with this hand.
Okay, and we're going to say the word as we pull down with our hands. So we're going to go when. And we're going to tap on our arms the letters of the word. W, H, E, N. When. Again. When. W, H, E, N. When. Third time. When. W, H, E, N. When. Okay, now we're going to go back to the paper and we're going to use our finger. Let's get our fingers out and we're going to trace what we wrote. So we're going to finger trace it. So we're going to go W, H, E, N. When. W, H, E, N. When. And we're going to trace it again. W, H, E, N. When. Okay, we can put the paper down again. So what's next, Ollie? Skywriting. Okay, so we're going to make really big when, okay? Let me give us some more space. So I'm going to go W, H, E, N. When. Your turn.
W, H,
E.
Wait, no, E. E. N. Wait, no. N.
What's the word?
When.
When. Okay, we always start at the top. Did you start at the top on your words?
Nope.
Nope. Let's start at the top. W, H, E, N. When. Okay, that was 3 times. Now let's go back to the paper. And can you write when for me? And say the letters as you write them.
W.
Start at the top.
E.
N.
N.
Good job. Thank you for starting at the top. We're going to write it again. W, H, E, N. When. Do it again. Make sure you start from the top when you write your letters.
W,
Good.
H, E,
Uh-huh.
N. When.
When. That's right. Okay. Let's keep this in our brain. This is how we spell when. Okay, we're going to flip the page over so we can't see the word. Let's try to remember, okay? Maybe we need to do a load and a tap again. So when.
When.
What's the first letter? Good?
E. Wait. H.
Uh-huh.
E.
E.
N.
N. When. So we spell when with W, H, E, N. Good job. Now we're going to create a sentence with the word when. So first we're going to read the sentence. Then we're going to, I have it all cut up here so we can arrange it in the right way. So it's in the right order. So let's read, okay? And all the red words are sight words. So you should know those sight words. And then the green words we're going to sound out. Each sound and then blend them together. Now I want you to notice I've got some of this words is in red, so that's part of a sight word. And this you should be able to sound out because you know the blend. It's ing. Okay? So let's start. What's our new word?
When.
When is
the
let's sound out the word. S. We're going to sound out each letter. So start again. Each letter sound b, s. Bus. And here's a sight word. Come. Ing. Ing makes that ing sound. So when is the bus coming? Do you know when the bus is coming? Maybe 7 o'clock? Okay. Okay, let's see if we can put the sentence in the right order now. I'm going to put it out of order and you're going to have to tell me where it goes. Okay, so some clues that we can look for is a capital letter. So which one of these words starts with a capital letter?
This one.
And do we put capital letters at the beginning of the sentence or the end of the sentence?
That's the end. Oh, the beginning.
The beginning. So this should go in the beginning. And then when we put a question mark or exclamation or punctuation mark, where should we put it? Should it be in the middle like this?
No, it should be over here.
At the end. Okay, good job. Okay, let's read it and see if it makes sense yet. When the bus is coming. Does that sound like a question?
No.
No. Let's see. When.
It sounds like an incomplete sentence.
Do we remember the sentence? When is the bus coming? So what are we missing? What's next after when? When
is.
There we go. Let's see if this makes sense. When is the bus coming? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes, that makes sense. Okay, so this is when you pause the video and you write your sentence out and then you send me a picture, okay? So make sure you have finger spaces in between each word. Okay, so pause the video and write the sentence out and send me a picture. Okay. Okay, next sentence we're going to do with the word when is right here. Let's read. They're all sight words, that's why they're red. So we should know all of these sight words. So when can I look for you? So when can I look for you? Do you ever looked for a friend out the window? Like, what time are you going to come over? When can I look for you out the window? Yeah? Okay, so when can I look for you? We're going to build this sentence with the words. So we got, look for you can I. Okay, let's see if this is out of order. Can look you, when for I. That doesn't seem like it makes any sense. So what clues can we look for, Ollie? What's a clue we're looking for?
The capital letter.
Capital letter goes in the beginning. And what's the other clue we got?
The punctuation.
The punctuation is at the end. Let's see if we're close to this sentence here. When can look for I you? Oh, that looks a little confusing. Let's see. When can I look for you was the sentence. So we got when can. Oh, he's got the I.
I'm good. We didn't get confused with this capitalized.
Oh, that's true. We could have, I is always capital no matter where it is in the sentence. That's a good point. But we knew the sentence started with when. So that's how we knew which one to put first. So let's see if this is the right sentence. When can I look for you? Yeah, that's the sentence.
I'm
So now-
curious why
Mhm.
these are different. These three are different colors.
Because I
from
ran
these.
out of the other color. Okay, so now you can pause the video or stop it and make sure you put your finger spaces on the paper. You're going to use finger spaces and copy the sentence and send me a picture. Okay, thank you for coming today. Bye.
Thank you.